Hey guys, welcome back to the Atarion news channel. Today we are going to talk about Lossless Scaling version 3.1, the $7 Steam utility that's been making waves in the gaming community by giving any game frame generation and upscaling, regardless of your GPU. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to set it up and get the most out of it. So, what exactly is loss scaling? Think of it as a universal frame generation tool that works with literally any PC game and any graphics card, even integrated graphics. Unlike DLSS or FSR that need developer support, lossless scaling operates at the system level. It does two main things. First, it can upscale your games to higher resolutions without the performance hit. Second, and this is the big one, it generates additional frames between the real frames your game renders, effectively doubling or even tripling your FPS. The best part, it costs just $7 on Steam and has overwhelmingly positive reviews from over 26,000 users. That's cheaper than most game DLCs. Version 3.1 dropped about a month ago, and it's a game changer. Here's what's new. Performance has been absolutely boosted. We're talking up to 2x performance increase in performance mode and up to 2x GPU load reduction. That means smoother gameplay with less strain on your hardware. The new adaptive frame generation or AFG is brilliant. Instead of fixed multipliers, it dynamically adjusts to maintain your target frame rate regardless of what your base game is running at. So, if your game drops from 60 to 45 FPS, AFG keeps your display smooth. Visual quality has improved significantly too. Less flickering, reduced ghosting effects, and better motion clarity. The interface is also smarter and more intuitive than before. Alright, let's get into the setup. First things first, and this is crucial. Your game must be in the borderless full screen, windowed full screen, or windowed mode. It absolutely will not work with exclusive full screen. This trips up a lot of people, so double check this setting. Here's the process. Launch your game first, then minimize it. Open lossless scaling and click the scale button in the top right. Switch back to your game and boom, you'll see your base FPS and boosted FPS in the top left corner. For the best results, I recommend these settings. Set scaling mode to auto and scaling type to off. If you want frame generation without upscaling. For frame generation, start with 2x mode. It's more stable than 3x. Here's a pro tip. Set your base frame rate to half your refresh rate. So if you have a 120Hz monitor, cap your games at 60 FPS and let lossless scaling double it. This gives you the smoothest experience with minimal artifacts. Okay, let's talk optimization. The higher your base frame rate, the better lossless scaling works. Aim for at least 30 FPS base, but 40 to 50 is preferred. Don't be afraid to lower your game settings to achieve this. The frame generation will more than make up for it. You still having issues? Well, here's a quick fix. Black screen, switch to WGC capture mode or disable overlays like Discord and GE Force experience. Input lag, well, use RTSS for frame rate capping and set Q target to 1. If you're seeing artifacts, well, stick to 2x frame generation instead of 3x. For Windows 11 users, WGC with Q target 1 gives you the lowest latency, while DXGI with fixed mode provides the best frame pacing. And there you have it. Lossless Scaling 3.1 is honestly a fantastic tool for anyone looking to boost their game performance without upgrading their hardware. For just $7, you get universal frame generation that works with any game and any GPU. The 3.1 update has really matured this software into something special. If you are new to lossless scaling, I have placed a step by step setup guide in the description box below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Italian news channel for more gaming tech coverage. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep gaming.